चाहूँगा और यंग जनरेशन को प्रतिनिधित्व देने वाले श्री प्रणव गबरू, जो कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एडवोकेट भी हैं, उन्हें बुलाना चाहूँगा। वो सूचना अधिकार सेनानी और कुछ अफसरों को भी श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहते हैं। आइए।
Respected dignitaries, members of the Shreshtham Rashtra Party and all the friends present here. Today I am giving a homage to those unsung heroes who have been either forgotten by us, by our insensitive or the lethargic attitude of the government or the people, those RTI activists. The first person I would like to name is a Manjunath Shanmugam, who was basically from the Tamil Nadu and was a marketing manager for the Indian Oil Corporation. He was murdered in Uttar Pradesh while he ordered a sealing of 2 petrol pumps at a Lakhimpur Kheri, Uttar Pradesh, for selling adulterated fuel. The second person to whom I would like to pay the homage is a Lalit Kumar Mehta. He was basically from the state of Jharkhand and was a member of Vikas Sahyog Kendra. He was an activist in the right to food and right to work. And he made an in-depth social audit of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Program and exposed many corrupt practices. He was murdered on March 15, 2008. The other one I would like to mention here is a Satish Shetty, state Maharashtra. He was an anti-corruption crusader and he blown the whistle on the series of the land scam in and around Talegaon, Lonavala and Pimpri Chinchwad, Maharashtra. He was murdered on January 13, 2010. Other person, Ramdas Gadekawaka. He too was from the Maharashtra and he was a right to information and leader of Shiv Sena activists. He exposed thriving sand mafia in the region of Nanded. He was martyred on August 27, 2010. The other person is Amit Chetwa, who recently came in news. He basically belonged to the state of Gujarat and he was an environmentalist and a social worker. He filed several cases on illegal mining around the protected areas of the Gir forest and sought information on the issue. He was martyred on July 20, 2010. Dattatreya Patil, state Maharashtra. He was an anti-corruption crusader. He filed a petition in the local courts regarding the horse trading in the local municipal elections and exposed many illegal construction business going on and the nexus between the mafia, police and politicians. He was martyred on 22nd May 2000. The other one is Murugan from Tamil Nadu. He was an activist of right to food and work and was also a government employee in the food supply department. He exposed a scam whereby the expensive pulses were replaced by the cheap ones in the godowns. He was martyred in the year 2010. Vitthal Gitter, state Maharashtra. He was a social activist. Discovered that the grants and the scholarships given to the students were pocketed by the teachers themselves and padding their salaries. He was martyred on April 18, 2011. Sheila Masood, Madhya Pradesh. She was an anti-corruption crusader and a wildlife activist. She exposed a lot of cases on the corrupt bureaucracy and animal deaths in the wildlife corridor. She was martyred on 16th August 2011. Kameshwar Yadav, state Jharkhand. Activist, right to work. He exposed the nexus between the politicians, bureaucracy, contractors and the middleman for the construction of the minor irrigation system. He was martyred on June 7, 2008. So these are the names of those unsung heroes who in pursuance of the cause of right to information and making this country more transparent, making the system more accountable to the general public. They sacrifice their lives. I salute them, and I just want the people of this country should not let the sacrifices made by them to go waste. Jai Hind. I salute to all of them. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद।